This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome back to ABAP class. So yesterday we are discussing about read statement. So today we'll discuss various internal table operations, guys. Very important, little important. Internal table operations means what? So as I told you, entire SAP is designed based on ABAP. And ABAP entirely works based on internal table and work area concept. So these two concepts only SAP works, guys. ABAP works. And this entire internal table, guys, if you want to know in depth about internal table, how it is processing, there are so many statements are there regarding the internal table, guys, how it works exactly. Just knowing the internal table is not enough. How it is processing, how it is working, guys. So we will discuss various operations of internal tables. Here we have 12 to 13 operations are there. We'll discuss one by one. So first one is append keyword. So we have different keywords like collect keyword, describe keyword, sort keyword, modify. Okay, moving the data. So move data between internal tables, deleting data from internal table, control break statements, okay. And we have so many statements, guys, regarding that. So we'll discuss one by one, guys, all the keywords, and it will take some time. We'll discuss in depth, okay. So one by one we'll see. First one is append keyword. Append keyword. Suppose, guys, I got my data in my internal table. Sometimes we'll get the data in our work area also. In real time, all the programming, guys, in real time, we will never bring the data to body, guys. This is wrong, okay. This is not the way it will happen in companies, because in companies, guys, we have very big reports. First we'll bring the data in all the internal tables, guys. So we have so many internal tables. First we'll bring all the data in your internal tables, and you will create one final internal table, guys. We'll create a final internal table. So what we will do, each and every data, guys, regarding purchase order, sale order, invoice, tax, first we'll bring one by one record, guys, one by one record, from this work area to this final work area, again from this work area to this final work area, and finally we need to transfer the data from this work area to this internal table, guys, from work area to internal table. So this job, guys, if you want to transfer the data, if you want to append the data from work area to body, we need to use append keyword. So append, simply to transfer the data from work area to body, guys. So let me tell you one small example. Suppose we have a work area with material and quantity, with material number and quantity, guys, and quantity. So in this I'm having F001, say quantity 100, and this record I want to append, guys. I want to append to my body. So we need to use append keyword. So append keyword, it will append the data from work area to body. Very simple. This job will be done by append keyword. And always remember, guys, append keyword will append the data at the end of internal table. That you need to understand. Very important. It will add that record, it will append that record at the end of internal table. Suppose we are having one more record, say F002 quantity 200 in that work area. So where it will add the end of the internal table. End of the internal table here, guys. Next line. That's why the name is given as append. Append means add at the next line. So this, guys, this is the job of append keyword. So it appends the data from work area to internal table. To internal table, syntax is append work area to IT, guys. Work area to IT. Next, sort keyword. Sort keyword. So what sort keyword will do? Suppose in my internal table, data is not sorted. Yesterday I told you guys, binary search, a concept of binary searching. So in binary searching, your internal table data should be sorted. Without sorting, your binary search will not work. So we need to sort the data in your internal table. So that job will be done by sort keyword. Suppose your data is randomly arranged like this. In this way, the data is arranged. Say F00, say 10, F09, F008, F001. Now I want to sort this data in this manner, in ascending order or descending order. In ascending or descending order, we need to write sort keyword. So I want the data in this manner, ultimately. F008, 9, and ultimately 10. Ascending or descending order, both. It can do both ascending as well as descending order you want. So we can work with sort keyword. Simple, guys, it sorts the data, sorts internal table data in ascending or descending order. Or both you can do, vice versa. Both also, one shot also you can do, it's not a problem. Syntax is sort IT by field 1, field 2, and so on, guys, and so on. So by default, the sorting order is ascending, guys. So if you're not writing any keyword, it is by default ascending. But if you want to sort the data in descending order, we have to write compulsory. So for example, I'm writing like this. See, sort IT by Matner, would add descending. Suppose I'm writing like this. In this case, material number will be sorted in ascending order. Ascending means ascending. And this would add means posting date will be sorted in descending order. That you need to understand, guys. Here nothing written means it is ascending. Even you can write, guys, no problem. But so by default order is ascending order. Okay? Remember always. Next, describe keyword. Describe keyword. They're very easy, guys. So easy, anybody can understand. Now my requirement is in this internal table. Sometimes, guys, very useful in business scenarios. We want to know the count, guys, in this internal table. How many records are there? In some business scenarios, we need to understand in this internal table how many records are there. 100, 200, 1 lakh, 7 lakh. So that count is written by describe keyword. So here the count is 4 records. Okay, 4. So that describe keyword, it will return the count. Okay, so it returns the count of number of records in an internal table. In an internal table, syntax is describe table, internal table name, lines, n, guys, n. Okay, n. So in this internal table, how many records are there? That count is stored in this n variable. Okay, that n will store that count. Describe keyword, very useful. Next, one more is a delete adjacent duplicates, very useful. Delete adjacent duplicates, very important. Delete adjacent duplicates. You have to remember, guys. Some of the guys will be thinking here, Rajshekhar, how to remember them, how to understand them. So there is no machine, guys, which make you remember, guys. Okay, you have to work hard for that. Okay, there is no way. Okay, so there is only, guys, in case of studies, there is no robot or machine which will fill all this data to your brain, guys. You have to work hard for that. There's no question about it, no doubt about it. So delete adjacent duplicates. So let me tell the requirement first, then we'll discuss the definition. Suppose, guys, sometimes in business scenarios, you will be having duplicate records. In internal table, you will be having duplicate records like this. Say duplicate materials. F001, F002, F002, F003, F004, like this. So my requirement is, I want to delete the duplicate records, adjacent duplicate records. Adjacent means these two. So they are adjacent duplicate records. See. So for F002, only one record is adjacent. See, this record is adjacent duplicate. See, this record. This. For this, there is no duplicate, guys. Only single record, single F003. And here, this is adjacent duplicate. So if you want to delete the adjacent duplicate records, we have to use the keyword. So what adjacent duplicate records will do? So once you apply that keyword, you will get the data in this manner. You will get the data. Ultimately, the output will be like this. F001, only single records will be left out. F002, F003, F004. So this we are using in business scenarios. If you want to calculate the totals, guys, total stock, total closing stock, opening stock. For example, for this material, the stock is 200. Again, for another something 400. Suppose I want to print 700, guys. So ultimately, my requirement is like this: F001, I want total stock as 700. So for F002, the total stock I want like this. Okay, this is the final output. So that is delete adjacent duplicates. It deletes the adjacent duplicates. Okay, so deletes adjacent duplicates. So based on character value, because, guys, all the keywords in ABAP works on characters. Remember always character values. Kunnar, Matner, dates, all these are characters. So delete adjacent duplicates, removes, delete adjacent. Oh, 1 minute. It removes or it deletes. Okay, it adjacent duplicate records from internal table. Syntax is like this: delete adjacent duplicates, no spelling mistakes, from internal table. Comparing, very important. Comparing as field name, field 1, field 2, and so on. Example, suppose you want to delete. If you want to delete based on material number, guys, so we have to write like this: comparing which field you want to delete. Matner. Suppose I want to delete material wise and customer wise. Material wise and customer wise. Okay, so then we need to write like this: delete adjacent duplicates from IT, comparing Matner and Kunnar, or customer. Okay, whatever it may be. Now this will delete based on material wise and customer wise. If both are matching, both are duplicates, it will delete it. So one is duplicate, another is not. It will not do it. Let me explain you this scenario also, how it works. Suppose in my internal table, data is in this manner. So first field is material. So currently my data is in this manner. And we have customer number, say 1000, but this is not a duplicate. Okay, again this is a duplicate. See, now see, guys, I'm applying delete adjacent duplicates in this manner. Let us try to understand. Delete adjacent duplicates from internal table, comparing material wise and customer wise. Matner Kuna. Now what system will do? Listen carefully. Now this time it will compare both the values, guys. Both the values. So in this case, even this is a duplicate. No, I agree with you. This is a duplicate, adjacent duplicate, but system will compare both the fields. See guys, both the fields, both the values are not duplicates. It will not delete. But in this case, guys, this record will be deleted. Carefully you see. You have to pay attention, guys. This record will be deleted. Why? Because it is duplicate. Here both the records are duplicate. See, both should be duplicated. Okay. Even this record, the third record will not be deleted. This is a duplicate, but this one is not. I hope you understood, guys. It's a very easy thing to understand. So that is delete adjacent. Let us see one example on this entire scenarios, whatever we discussed. And remember, guys, for delete adjacent duplicates, we need to sort the data. It's mandatory, guys. It is mandatory. Sorting is mandatory. Okay. You need to sort. If you not sort the data, data will not be deleted. So for delete adjacent duplicates, it's mandatory. It's compulsory, guys. It's mandatory to sort internal table data. You have to sort. If you will not sort, it will not work. There is no question, no doubt about it. If you will not sort, this keyword will not work. So let us see one example in the system how it works. So all the 4 keywords I will explain you with some examples. So first I will discuss small examples, guys. Real-time examples we'll see, guys. When you will go for advanced ABAP, they will discuss real-time examples because these are starting classes. So I want to discuss small examples, what the keyword is doing. Later in reports, etc., we'll discuss real-time how we are working with these keywords. Again, guys, same question. I hope everybody are practicing. And this question almost for 1 month daily I will ask you. After that I will not ask. Why? Because even after 1 month you will practice also, there is no use. There is no use, guys. That's why daily I will ask you this question. You take seriously or you take in a different way, that is your wish. But it's my responsibility to ask. And it's your duty to practice. Now, see guys, I will take small examples, okay? See, I will create a new program, Z internal underscore operations. Internal table operations. Okay, I will discuss very small examples. First, I am creating a structure, begin of ST. Okay, type C, say quantity. It's an integer. Okay. Begin of is close with end of structure. And you know, guys, already in previous classes I discussed what is the job of structure. For reusability, based on the structure, you can create number of objects. So I am creating internal table and work area. Okay, internal table and work area. So with this syntax, system will create a work area. Simultaneously, I will discuss parallelly, side by side. Everything I will discuss. See.
What is my work area? So this declaration, right? Right now.
That is declaration.
Okay.
That is declaration. After declaration, extraction, storage, then processing. You need to follow that. If you're not following it, it will not work. ABAP will not work in. ABAP is a synchronous programming, step by step. First declaration.
Declaration, extraction. What is the next?
Then processing, printing. Processing means printing, displaying, all those things. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Input, processing, output. Okay. See, now we need to store data, guys. I'm not extracting from database table. Simply I want to explain the keywords. It's a very simple program, so I'm not using any select statements. Okay, so I'm writing work area of material is equal to F001. Okay, this we discussed in first program also, how to do it. Work area concept. First program you remember. Okay, say I'm writing 100, say 70. Now with this, I'm storing the data in my work area, guys. See, F001 and quantity say 70. Say 70. Now we'll use append keyword. So we need to append this record from work area to internal table. Work area to internal table. So this job will be done by append keyword. So simply, very simple guys, append work area to IT. Simple. Like this we need to write. So automatically with this, the data which is in work area, it will be transferred to internal table. It will be transferred or appended to internal table. Okay, let us write. So like this, I want to append few more records. Okay, work area to IT.
So Rashir, shall we understand this way? All these days, whatever we saw is something in the database. So we try to pull it and show an output.
Yeah, up to now we saw from database. We use the select statements from database. Okay, this way I'm manually appending. This we are not. We should not do in real time in this way. Never, never.
Okay. So this
first you extract the data from table. Okay, store the data in internal table. Then you do processing.
Okay. So
because I want to make you understand each keyword what it is doing. Okay, so that's why I'm explaining. Okay, they are not real time examples. Not at all.
This may happen when you are going to create purchase order or material document.
Correct.
So
correct. When you write a large programs, in large programs, what we will do? Let me explain in these scenarios. In large programs, what we will do? First, see, this is my purchase order. Purchase order internal table. Here I am storing items. Here I am storing taxes. Suppose. So what we will do in a very big program, we'll create a final internal table. We'll create a final internal table for storing all the output internal table. Okay. So what we will do in companies, we'll bring the data from body to work area. This body to work area, again this body to work area, again this body to work area, like this. Again, this is your final work area. So what we will do, first we'll bring the data from this EKKO internal table and a purchase order internal table to this work area.
Yeah.
To this work area. So okay, so once it is brought, so what we will do after from this work area, because guys, this final work area, and this EKKO work area, both are having different structures. Okay, we cannot transfer directly, guys. No, impossible. So what we will do? We will transfer the data from this work area to this work area final. Okay, this also we will discuss. Moving the data between work areas. How we can move the data between work areas? We will move the data from this work area to this final work area. Related fields. Only related fields will move. Then what we will do? We will move the data from this body to that work area. This work area. Again, in the same way, again we will move the data from this work area to this final work area. Somewhere here we will move. Again, in the third case, invoice, okay, tax data from this work area to that work area. This work area. Again, from this work area to final work area. Like this, we'll bring all the common data, guys. Okay, common linked data to this work area final. Okay, all this linked data will move to this work area final. Then we'll do appending job. Then we'll do this job. Then this is the purpose of append keyword. Clear? These are real time about how we are working. Clear? This is the way we are working in companies. Because in company, very big reports are there, very big, very big, and we are bringing the data from different database tables. Okay. So let us do a simple example only. Like this, I am appending 4 records, but in real time we should not do like this. This is simple examples for practice. Okay. So F002. I am not sorting the data also. F001 again, say 100. Again F002, say 200. Okay, fine. With this, what will happen? Let us see. Let us understand up to here what will happen. And please have patience, because I will be explaining each and everything. So you will be having, you will be thinking, I understood, Rajsekhar, why you are explaining so many times. It's my nature, guys. For my satisfaction, I am explaining many times. My work area and internal data. And with that entire statements, 4 records will be stored in my body, guys. F001, F002, F001, F002. First record is 70, then 80, then 100, then 200. This is the way, guys. Up to now, this will happen. And remember, guys, work area always holds the last record. This you need to understand. Work area will always hold the last record which is being processed. Because last record we stored this one, right? So that's why it will always hold the last record. Done, guys. With this, code, guys. Up to here, whatever I written the code, this will happen. Now guys, we need to sort the data. So this is append keyword. First keyword I explain you. So now I want to sort the data. Currently data is not sorted. Okay, one by one keyword will explain. We'll discuss in detail. So we need to sort the data. I want this data in this manner now. This manner, okay. This manner in the sense I want material wise, okay. I want to sort all the materials. F001 is 70. F001 once again, say 100 suppose, okay. So F002, say 80. F002, say 200. This manner I want, so we need to apply sort keyword. So this job will be done by sort keyword, like this is sort IT by mat means material. Done. Let us do it, and we'll see the output up to here. Sort IT by material. Okay, let us display the data. Loop at IT. This already we discussed in previous class, guys. So explaining everything is not possible every day. I'm expecting you practiced, you studied it. So with loop we are processing from body to work here. And always select pretty printer. Time to time we select pretty printer and activate. Now you see the data. First I will write this without sort keyword, okay? Comment it, okay? Without sort keyword I will write it. Now you check your data, please, you guys. F001, F002, F001, F002. It is not sorted. So I will apply sort keyword. See. Activate. Now you check the data result. See guys, properly F001, F001, F002, F002. This is about sort keyword. Any questions up to here?
Yes, Rasik. Okay. This is the material number and otherwise other side. Okay, the quantity. Okay, it is how it is taking quantity also in ascending order. Okay, even okay, the material is F001. It is 70 and F001 100. F002. Okay, why it taking 200?
Let me answer. See, that is a sort keyword. What sort keyword will do? Listen carefully. First of all, in ABAP, mostly guys, all the keywords they work on characters. There is no question, no doubt about it. So whatever the keywords, what are the operations I'm discussing now? All these operations mostly works on characters. That's why in SAP, guys, not only ABAP, I'm talking about SAP. In SAP, all your primary keys like Kunnar, Matnar, Budat, everything will be based on characters. You check it. Any primary key you take, whether it is bookers, whether it is works, whether it is general ledger, all these primary key values will be based on characters. So all these keywords automatically works based on characters. So whenever you are sorting the data based on material wise, in front of this, in front of whatever quantity is there, automatically it will come in front of it. Okay, you don't need to do anything. So along with this material, system will carry the data which is in front of it. Are you getting me? So whatever the data in front of it, in front of that record which you are sorting, the primary key value, automatically that record will also will be printed in front of it. Clear? That is system will do it. Okay, that we don't need to do from any. Okay, that is not enough for.
In your example, okay, the F002 and okay, instead of 80, the second record is 200 and the last record is 80 is there. Okay, how it starts?
No, second record I'm not getting you. Sorry, once again.
On quantity, the second record F002, okay, there okay, you are giving 200 and okay, the last record F002 I'm giving 80. Then when it started by material number, how it shows? Okay, it shows F002 is and 200 shows first, and the F002 and the 80 is showing last.
No, that is sorting order, right? That is automatically sorting order will be like that, right? So this, for example, F001 is there. Along with F001, whatever the value is there, that the data will come in front of that, right? So in this internal table, in front of that 80 is there. 80 is coming in front of it, right? In front of that F002, it is 200 already there. It is coming, right? If you want to do manually, you have to do manually. Suppose you have to you have to tell the system, no, this record, this value you have to place at this place. That you have to do by using modify or by using some other keywords you have to do, read conditions you have to do it. But whatever data is there in front of it, that data is for sure 100% is going to come in front of it. Okay.
So suppose one more record with F002 and the quantity is 10 at the fifth line item.
Yeah,
So
correct.
Under
that will be on front top. You will be getting after before 80.
80. Oh, so it's not only material gets sorted, even the quantity also gets sorted.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, sure. So that will be coming here, guys, in front of it. Okay. Any other questions? Fine, guys. Now let us see about delete adjacent duplicates. Delete adjacent duplicates.
Rashikar, where is select statement, Rashikar?
Read statement I will tell you, not now. I will discuss when I will discuss about control break statements. I'll explain you because still the time didn't came. I will discuss read statement, control break statements.
Here, how data took means okay. I mean, based on the hard code, the values is taken.
Yeah, we are taking hard code values. Right?
Okay.
They are hard coded values.
Yeah, please carry on.
Fine. Now we sorted the data, guys. Let us try to apply delete adjacent duplicates. Okay. So what is my requirement? I want to delete this record. See, this is a duplicate record, and this is also adjacent duplicate. So same, guys, very easy. Again delete, and we have a code completion. Whenever you write delete adjacent, see guys, automatically the code is coming in front of it. See adjacent tab space. So no need to type the entire full thing, guys. So user friendly. See delete. See the entire code is coming. See automatically tab tab space. From where you want to delete? Internal table. Comparing which internal table, which field you want to delete, material number. And never delete, guys, quantity wise. Okay, only character values, only primary keys. Apply only for main fields. Okay, never apply for quantities, currencies, etc. Now let us try to understand what it will do. It will delete the duplicate record series, and in front of that F001 we are having 100, that is also gone. See, in front of that F002 200 was there, it is also gone. Okay, because it is working based on that character field, guys. In front of it, whatever value is there, that entire record will be deleted. Now suppose I am not using the sort keyword. See, if I am not using this sort keyword, the result will be different. So it will not work. It will not work because the data is not sorted. See, this is not the duplicate for F001, so it will not delete. This is not the duplicate. See, this for this record, this is not for this record. See, for this record, this is not a duplicate. It will not delete. This for this record is not duplicate. I hope you understood this. So it will not work. So if you want to make the delete adjacent keyword duplicates work, you need to sort compulsory. And similarly, guys, describe keyword, it will describe the number of records. Let me explain it. It's a simple select statement. It's a simple statement. Let me copy this entire program. If you want to practice, you can practice step by step first. Sorting data, guys. So first you practice in this way, or you practice this program first, one by one, and never copy paste, guys. Copy paste is suicide, I'm telling you. Never copy paste. Write the program. If you are getting any error, struggle, no problem. This is first program with append. The append example 2. This is with sort keyword. This is with sort keyword. So you'll understand the difference between each and every program. And this program is with delete adjacent duplicates. First you need to sort, compulsory, mandatory. Then you apply delete adjacent duplicates from body comparing material. Now let us say describe, guys. Describe keyword example. So describe keyword. What it will do? It will tell the records. How many records are there? So here I am creating one more dummy variable. So data and type by integer. Okay. For storing the count. For storing that count, I am creating a dummy variable. And always, guys, in ABAP, all your variables create in the top section only. Never declare a variable here again. Okay, there is blunder again. It's against programming standards. Again, your team leader will reject your program, guys. Okay, so never declare. You can declare. You can declare like this. Okay, but this is not good, guys. It's not. It's a bad programming, dirty programming. So all your variables declare on the top only, guys. Done. Let us write describe keyword.
After structure declaration only we have to do work area declaration.
Correct. Why? Because structure. See, if you're not writing this one, see, no structure. Without structure, how you'll get error message, right?
Yeah.
Here you're writing structure means it should be there. If it is there, then only we can write here, right?
Okay.
If it is there, then only we can write here. If you write this one on the top before that types keyword, it will throw error message.
Okay.
That's why I told you sequence. ABAP is a sequential programming, synchronous, step by step. Suppose I'm writing this here. Okay, it's error message. Why? Because system try to find this declaration, try to find the structure on the top, guys. Here it tries to find, but it is not there. It's an error message.
Okay.
First structure, then only. Not only structure. First of all, that variable should be there. Then only. Then only we can write work keyword. Okay. Now here we declared, so we can write describe keyword. So describe table IT line send. Okay. Write number of records. String, guys, hard coding. Just I'm hard coding that string. Okay. Number of records. Where are my number of records and variables? Activate every program. Activate it. See, guys, number of records 4. Number of records 4. If I'm deleting, guys, see if I'm applying delete adjacent duplicate, see. So it will be 2, guys. Sort IT by material. Delete adjacent from IT comparing material. And guys, for programmer, guys, typing should be good, guys. Your typing should be good. See, guys, number of records 2 because 2 records are deleted. So this is your program for delete adjacent in the sense no. Describe key. So practice please step by step. Each program understand each keyword what it is doing. Because for functional consultants also, guys, sometimes your ABAPers will be horrible, guys. They will tell you different things. They will try to fool you. Sorry to say this. They will try to fool you. I done this one, blah blah. It's your mistake. So you should know, guys, programming also I'm telling you to check what code he is writing really. That is also sometimes functional have to do. Because functional consultant is ultimate owner, guys, of the program, of the entire object, of the issue, the incident. I hope, guys, it is clear all the 4 keywords. So that is describe keyword example. Any questions, any doubts up to here? I hope it is clear, guys. The next very important, collect keyword. Deadly important concept, collect. Collect is very important. First, I will explain you what collect is doing. Then we'll discuss the example, the definition, everything. Collect is very important. So now only I discussed. I want total quantity. So my output should be like this. I want the total stock for this material. At the end of the day, for this stock, what is the total sales done, total purchases done for a material, blah, blah, blah. So this should be my final output at the end of the day. So this job we can achieve by using collect keyword. Totals, guys, subtotals, totals, etc. We can do with collect keyword. So let us see how it works. Understand. collect keyword, very important. First, let me explain you. Suppose guys, we have a work area and we have internal table. And the same data. First, I'm bringing my data to work area, guys. So material and quantity. Here we are having F001. Say 70. Listen carefully, guys. Pay attention, please. Now on this work area, I'm applying collect keyword. Listen carefully, please. See, collect work area to IT. Listen carefully. So you will be confused with collect keyword and append keyword. Okay, don't confuse, guys. Append is different, collect is different. See, so what collect will do? Listen carefully, understand. So collect always works based on characters. Not only collect, any keyword in ABAP, it works based on primary keys, in the sense character values. So what it will do, in this work area, guys, whatever character field is there, nothing but F001, whatever character field you define, it will check. Listen carefully once again. It will check whether this character value, collect will check. That is the first point. Listen carefully. Collect will check whether the character value, or values also, whether the character value or values are existing in the body or not. In the body or not. Tell me, guys, answer this question. Whether the character value F001 is there in the body or not. It is there in the body. First point, collect will check whether that character value is or existing in the body or not. It is existing or not?
It's not existing.
It's not existing. This simple answer. It's not existing. Answer is not existing. Not. So when it is not existing, it will append it. It will append the entire record. It will append the entire record. Okay, done. Fine. Appending will take place, so it will append this entire record to body. Okay. So F001 70. Listen carefully, guys. It will append it. Next record. Okay. In the same way, I'm bringing second record to my work area. So entire magic is a work area, guys. Okay. Everything is done by work area. Processing is done by work area. Body is like a dam, guys. It will just store, guys. It will store water. It will store data. But entire magic of processing, guys, will be done by work area only. Work area is a king, guys, ultimately. Now, this is the second record. Tell me, guys, again, same question. Answer this question, please.
Yeah.
Now, this time, the character value is F002. This time, the character value is F002. What it will do, tell me.
Yeah, it will write.
It will again append it. It's not there, no? It will append it. It will append it. Okay, fine. Now next record in the same way. Next record is F001. F001 again say 100. Tell me, guys, again study that question and answer it, please. This time character value in that work area is F001. Now, guys, listen carefully the answer. See the second point now. This time, guys, the record is already there, guys. Okay. Okay. Now let us see the answer if it is already there. If the character value, is already existing, in the work area or in the body, in the body. Now what system will do? It will not append, guys. It will collect it. Okay. It will collect the data. It will collect. Collect means what? Collect means on the right side of the character value, whatever numeric values are there, whatever numeric value, numeric means integers, whatever numeric values are there, system will add it. System will add it. That is called collecting. System will add them, sum up. System will sum up. System will sum up those values. See this English statement properly. See guys, in this case already that value is there. There is no doubt about it. See, this value is already there, that character value. Now what system will do? System will not append guys. System will collect it. Simple guys, very easy. System will add. System will add these two values. System will add these values and place it in body guys. Nothing but it will make it 170. No appending. This time collecting will take place. Now this value will become 170. This value will become 170. Okay.
And this will happen when the second field is integer, right? If it is that is also a character, that will not happen.
Yeah, if it is suppose one more character value is there, then it will sum up. It will check based on two character values. That also I'll explain. Okay. After this, I will explain that also. That scenario also will take over. Because I want to explain it step by step. Because confusion will occur here. In that example, I will take once again. See, suppose I am having F002 now. Now again we have 200. Again study my question. So this condition is failed now. This condition is failed. This condition is true now. Now this character value is already existing. F002 is already there in the body guys. Second record is already there. So it will do this job. So on this right side of this character value, see, right side of this character value, whatever numeric values are there, it can be anything, quantity value, anything guys, any numeric value, quantity, decimal, system will sum up. Means that 200 is added with 80 guys. Simple. That 200 is added with 80, it becomes 280. It becomes 280. I hope it is clear guys. So we got the ultimate results. Okay. Okay. Suppose again we have F001 once again. Suppose we have once again this quantity. Again I am selling metal number F001 to some customer, blah blah blah. And this time quantity is 300. Again that value is already existing guys. So that 300 is added with 170, it will become 470. I hope it is clear. So this is one example. Now as a question asked, suppose I am having two character values or three character values. In that case, how it will work? Let us see that example also. So that is more important. I hope this is clear, or any questions here? This example. Is it clear guys?
Yeah, this is good.
So we'll see example with there are multiple values. Suppose this is sales report. Sales report. And in my internal table, I have customer wise, metal wise, sales values. This is an internal table. And this is my work area. So I'm having data like this. This is my customer number. This is my material, and that is quantity, sales quantity. Suppose first metal is F001, and this metal I'm selling it to this customer, 1000, customer number 1000, and how much I'm selling, say 200 guys, something, blah blah. Same guys. Now listen carefully. Here we have two character fields. Here we have two character fields. One is material. Metal is a character. Metal is a character, and here customer is also a character. Oh, sorry. First one is okay. We will see customer wise. One second, guys. This I'll make it like this. So first field is customer. Second field is material. And next field is quantity, sales quantity, suppose. So first customer is 1000. Say metal is F001. And to this customer, I'm selling that metal, how much? 600 quantity. Now listen carefully, guys. Append. Now this time collect will work for these two metals, these two characters. Remember always. See, collect. Work area into IT. Now in this work area, system will search characters. I told you character or characters. So here we have two character values. One is this customer and another is F001. Our system will compare both the values are existing in the body or not. Tell me guys, both the values are there in the body? Both the values are there in the body?
Yeah.
No.
No, it will append it. It will append this entire record. Remember guys, append means entire record, entire record. One value is going, one value is not. It's not like that. Everything is appended. Done. Now this is the next record. Example guys. Examples are the best thing to understand. Concepts. Conceptually understand, please. Don't buy heart it. Come outside of our India education system. Okay. By-hearting is very dangerous. Okay. Understand the concept. See, F00, this time guys, F002 guys. This time metal number is different. Means it will happen guys. I can sell the same metal. I can sell a different material to other customer. Same customer to the same customer. I can sell a different material. Definitely, for sure. Now this time guys, system will check. System will check both the values. Tell me guys, existing or not? Existing or not?
No.
No. Same values. Once again, I'm telling you, same values in the body. Customer number is there, but material is not there. It will not working. It will work. It will append it. No question about it. It will append because here metal number is different. Even one character value is different. It will append it. Done. Done, guys. This time, third record. Third record. Customer is different, but metal is same. So I'm selling the same material to different customer. Same material to different customer. How much quantity? Again guys, this time customer is changing and one character value is different. System will append it. System will append it. Like this. I hope you got it guys, the point. Now, just this time guys, you make it 1000. This time make it customer as 1000 and metal is F001. 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 This time guys, that record is already there. See, this value is both are matching. See. Now system will not append it. System will collect it. System will collect it and it will become 700. Everybody is clear, okay? Fine. Let us see one example in the system. First, I will write the definition. It collects. It returns the summarized representation of data. Okay. It always works based on character fields. Characters and collect the numeric values in front or in right side of the character ones. You don't understand this definition guys because I have to give notes as I'm giving it. But you don't need to buy heart. Nobody will ask you in interviews. Just to explain the example. Okay, they'll feel very happy. Explain this example, guys. You don't need to do, but buy heart the definition. Explain this example in the interview. Enough. They want whether you know or not. Nobody wants your definition. Nobody wants your bullshit English. Nobody wants. The people they want that you understood or not, whether you know the concept or not. Okay, done, guys. Let us see this example in the system. How it works. Same thing. Same example I will take for. First, I will take for material. And here sorting also not required, guys. For collect, you don't need to sort the data. Automatically works automatically. Now listen carefully. So I am creating one more internal table. See guys. Now you will understand the structure. See here I am creating one more object based on the same structure. See. So that is the use of structure, guys. Reusability. Based on same structure, you can create n number of objects. So IT1, I am creating for storing that summarized data, guys. So in this internal table, I am storing all the materials, all the 4 records. In this internal table, I am storing the summarized data. Okay, summarized data will be stored in this internal table. Let me explain. So here I am collecting it. collect work area into IT. So once collected, again we need to display the data. Loop at IT into IT1, sorry, because currently in my data is in IT1 guys. I'm calling it to IT1. So that's why you create number of internal tables for doing different processing. So print the data now, material and quantity. See guys, things will become more tough guys. I'm telling you, see, things are becoming more and more tough daily. Programming size will increase daily. See, now see this entire program in detail. How what is exactly this program is doing. Currently, first it is bringing. This is my material. This is your quantity. So first, see guys, listen carefully. First I'm processing. First I'm bringing all the records to body guys. This already we done. F001, F002, F001, F002, 70, 100, 80, 200. I'm not sorting also, right? This I'm doing it up to here guys. See carefully. Up to this code. See. Up to this code. Okay, up to this code. We are bringing all the data, right? And we are creating one more internal table also here. IT1 with the same structure, with the same exactly same fields. I'm creating one more internal table, so IT1 for storing consolidated data. Here I will store the consolidated data. Fine. Now listen carefully guys, the most important topic, the next one is how to collect it. See, from here let us see the logic. This is the main magic, okay? See, this is the main thing. Let us try to understand this entire code here guys. See, listen carefully. And guys, by seeing the code, you should understand, guys, what the code is doing. I'm telling you, as a good programmer, by seeing the code, you should understand. Who is a good doctor? By seeing the patient, you should tell. Okay. If you want to become an excellent programmer, by seeing the code, you should understand. See. So low put IT, because currently my data is in IT, I'm moving it to work area. Okay, I'm collecting it. Collect work area into IT. IT1. And loop. Listen carefully guys, this is most important. See, so with that loop I'm transferring first record from body to work here. Listen carefully. With that loop, everything is a magic of loops only guys. The entire ABAP, the entire SAP works on loops. No loop, nothing. First record is transferred to work area. Done guys, done. Now my control is here guys. Now my control is here. Let us see what collect will do. Let us see what collect will do. I explain you now only. So what collect will do in this work area, whatever character value is there, currently it is F001 guys. In this work area, whatever character value, that is F001. System will check that character value in this body guys. In this body, system will check that character value in this body. IT1 no record, not matching, no data. Append. That only explain you now. Append, done. Now end loop. System will go to end loop. Control goes to end loop to loop, end loop to loop, end loop to loop. So as soon as end loop to loop, automatically control is waiting on second record. Cinema line. It's like a cinema line. First guy got the ticket. First guy is processed. Second record. Automatically control is waiting on second record. Whenever you return back. Whenever you return back from end loop to loop, automatically control is waiting on second record. Now I'm in loop. Now my control is on loop. Currently I'm here. So control is on second record guys. Automatically whenever this loop is executed, second record is transferred from body to work area. Second record is transferred from body to work area. Simple guys. Even a small bacha will also understand this. I'm not saying you are bacha or something. You'll say we are all grown ups, we are mature, so we are unable to understand. You have to understand guys. You have to practice, you have to study daily. Done guys. F002, I'm sorry. F002 100. F002 100. Now collect. Now collect. Again control goes to collect. Currently I'm here still. Here guys. Now what collect will do? The record is F002 this time. In my work area, the character value is F002.
It will append.
It will not append. It will append. It will append. So it will search whether this F002 is there in the body or not. It is not there in the body. See F002 not in the IT1. See IT1. It is not there. Check. Not there. Append. Append. Entire record is appended. Done. Similarly, guys, third record. Third record is transferred from body to work area. Third record is transferred from body to work area. It will not append, guys, because that record is already there. Their character value is already there now. F001, say 80. 80, guys. So it will check. Collect will check whether that record is in the body or not. It is there, guys. So this time appending will not take place. System will collect it. System will collect. This is called summarize representation of data. Summarize is summary, guys. Okay, totals, blah blah, grand totals. Okay, so it will make it 280. Similarly, guys, third record, it will make it. It will also not be appended. It will make it. I hope you got it, guys. Okay, no need to explain further. It is clear, crystal clear. Just I will show you debugging. So let us see the debugging, guys. Debugging, guys. Every program I will show debugging, so you'll understand better. And you also please do debugging. It's like a brainwash. You are making your brain as application server. Okay, entire thing you are keeping in your brain when you do debug. See. So this is the main logic I need to explain. See, guys. Breakpoint, execute. So directly it will hit the breakpoint. See, guys. So I discussed already tables. Select desktop 3. That is the best. Okay, IT. So currently 4 records are there, guys. See. In IT 4 records. 1, 2, 3, 4. See. And we have one more internal table, IT1, guys. IT1 also type it. IT1. In IT1 there are no records. Listen carefully. So I'm processing. So first record I'm transferring from body to work area. Done, guys. Transferred. See, work area. Also double click on work area. See, guys. Double click on work area. In work area F001 70. Okay. Now collect. Listen carefully. Collect will check. Collect will check whether this material F001. See, always remember, collect works on characters. Okay, it will check whether this F001 is an IT1 or not. It is not there, guys. No doubt about it. So it will append it. It will append it. See, guys. Append means it will store in the body. Done, guys. It will append it. Similarly, FC. I mean, nothing. F5. I'm selecting F5. Shortcut key F5. Okay. Again from end loop, it will go to loop. See, guys, yellow color control. Again, guys, next record, second record, guys, second record. See, work area, second record. See, guys, F002, F002. Again, system will compare that F002 in this IT1. Obviously, it's not there. It's not there. It will append in the second line. Done, guys. Done. Awesome. Congratulations. Done. Now, similarly, third record, loop to end loop. See, end loop to loop. Again, third record is again F001, 100, guys. F001, 100. So this record is already there, guys. No doubt about it. See, it is already there. See, it is already there. It will collect it. So it will make it 270, 170. See, 170. See, 170. Similarly, guys, 280. See, 280 next record. See, 280. Nothing. I am selecting F5 with nothing. So this is the final output, guys. This I am printing with the next loop. Okay, this is a summarized representation of data. Fine, guys, any question? And this you do as an assignment. This is your assignment. So daily I will give assignments also. So you create a report like this. So my requirement is like this. Create an internal table with customer, material and quantity. Quantity and price also, amount. 4 fields. And store the data in this manner. 1000, 1001, again 1000, 1001 as a customer. And store some materials, say F001, say F001, F002, say F001, F002. Okay, and quantity, how much quantity is selling to that customer? Say 900, and you enter your own values. It's not doesn't mean that you have to enter only these values. No, your wish. Enter some data like this. Okay, amount sum, enter some amount. So don't think here, Ashikar, you are telling small examples and you are giving big assignments to us. Yes, your practice. You practice more, you'll get the more knowledge. If you're not getting, ask me tomorrow, I will tell you. Fine. This is my input, guys. This is my data. Finally, my output should be like this: 1000 F001. Add those two values. F001 is 1700 and 14,000. This should be my final output. So again, 1001, F002, 1100 and 25,000. Okay, this is my final requirement. Okay.
In the first one, quantity should be 1600, I think.
Okay, madam. Okay, fine.
No.
Sorry, it's my calculation mistake. Okay, so 900 plus 700, 1600. This is 14,000. Fine. Thank you very much. Fine, guys. Any questions? Is it clear? Or any questions? This is your assignment. Okay, do it, please. You'll get a lot of knowledge on this.
So
Fine, guys. Let's stop the class. Yeah, any questions?
When you do this in the debug mode, the size bar C, it is showing a value, right? 0. So it means that condition doesn't exist here, right?
Yeah, correct. See, whenever the loops will continue, it will make it 0. Size of RC will be 0. But as soon as the loop will fail or something, currently size of RC is 0. The loop is executed. See, the recorder is processing. As long as it is processing, 0 only will be. Collect
Sir,
done, so 0.
So send it the
Size
code
of
also.
RC. Sorry?
Send it the code also. Code.
Yeah, code also, definitely. Yeah. Clear? Fine, guys. Thank you very much. We'll meet tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.